Since the 1920s, our mission has been to encourage health through swimming. From our roots in California to New York to our home in South Carolina, Paddock is a name synonymous with swimming pools. With Paddock gutters, deck equipment, main drains, bulkheads, DE regenerative filters, and more, Paddock Pool Equipment Company is an environmentally friendly swimming pool industry leader and innovator. In 2011, we developed evacuator technology, a new standard of care designed to make swimming pools sought-after destinations instead of just tolerated amenities. Paddock has partnered with local YMCAs across the country. In 2015, we took our partnership to a new level as PPEC and YMCA of the USA signed a preferred vendor agreement for Paddock evacuator technology. All YMCA facilities in the United States now receive a discount on all retrofit Paddock evacuator systems. With Paddock, YMCAs have received long-lasting and affordable equipment, experienced customer-focused projects, and cutting-edge solutions to create comfortable pool environments.
The good news for us is Paddock Pool is right here in Rock Hill. You know, they're a local guy, and they build pools all around the country. And why not use somebody local for a lot of reasons? One is they want the facility to be nice. They're going to have folks come in and tour it that are visiting their plant. And so they're going to want to sort of showcase the very best. Secondly, every pool is going to have problems at some point, maybe not in year 1 to 5, but at some point you're going to need help. Well, Paddock Pool is right there to help. And they have been our partner for, this is not a 1 or 2 year, they've been our partner for 20 plus years. Building pools for us, even pools that they did not build, they'll come in and sort of save us from some really drastic improvements that need to be made to an old pool. They've come in with a good attitude and just come in and done their best to make that pool as good as it can be.
In Clover, South Carolina, PPEC has partnered with Upper Palmetto YMCA and a local school district to begin construction on one of the largest aquatics venues in the Carolinas.
Dr. Mark Sosty is the school superintendent for Clover School District. As it turned out, Dr. Sosty was superintendent also in upstate New York, and most of the schools there, or a lot of the high schools, had swimming pools. Well, he didn't understand why we didn't have one here down south, and he wanted to sort of keep pace with what other districts were doing. So Dr. Sosty again called me and said, we want to build a swimming pool so we can teach kids to swim, but we don't know how to operate a pool. Would the Y like to be a partner with this? And we said, well, sure we would. Let's sit down and talk. And boy, you talk about the vision starting one direction and growing. This was one of those projects.
On a project, the dream stage is those folks that have a vision or foresight enough to see what could happen. The Upper Palmetto group has got great vision, and we're able to capitalize that in Clover and put together a great team of stakeholders, community advocates, and school board to develop this project. So where we would fit in is to provide direction as needed, whenever asked, and we could help them with budgeting, we could help them with demonstrating the most efficient and new products available for the best result.
We believe that Clover can be a model for future projects. When Clover opens, it will feature innovative and environmentally friendly systems and equipment like DE regenerative filters, Paddock stainless steel gutters, and Paddock evacuator in its 2 indoor pools, outdoor 50-meter pool, 6,000 square foot water park, and full athletic center. Paddock looks forward to building relationships with partners like YMCA of the USA, Grow Development, and Ceresco as we move forward.
The Grow Development folks are a great resource for the Y, and we do assist them on occasion in developing new dream pools on that level. The Ceresco Dehumidification Company is another YMCA partner that works well with us with the evacuator, and they were actually the first major company to participate with us in Jenks, Oklahoma in 2012, and it was a very successful project.